Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Amrakhand or mango shrikhand is an upgraded version of plain shrikhand since this has fruit and the color also is very beautiful. Let us see how to make it. Peel one ripe mango. Preferably you take the Alfonso mango which has a very good color and good flavor. If not, you can use ready pulp 1 cup. Where mangoes are not available, we are using the pulp. So chop into cubes, keep few pieces for garnishing, and we will grind the remaining mango. You can chop it or squeeze the mango into pulp and grind it. The blend has to be smooth, that is why we will grind the mango pieces with the 2 tablespoon sugar. Now for the hung curd, we will put it in a strainer or we can also put it in a soft cloth. We will use 500 ml thick curds. I use the ready one. You can also set the curd and make it. Now tie the cloth and hang this. Usually I hang it in the sink to the tap for 3-4 hours since it is very small quantity. You can also leave it just like this even in the strainer with a plate on it and a small weight so that all the liquid part gets drained. Now after 5 hours, remove the hung curd in a bowl. Here we are going to mix it with the mango pulp. You can see it has come to less than half the quantity. So in this we will add cardamom powder, quarter teaspoon, and mix well. See that there are no lumps. It takes some time to mix it. Now this is too small to put it in Srikhand maker. So I have just directly mixed it. If the quantity is big, it is better to put it in a Srikhand maker and use it. I have shown how to use the Srikhand maker in the Srikhand recipe. Now mix well. The mango pulp and the hung curd has to blend well. This became less sweet. I don't like my desserts to be very sweet. So the mango also will have its own sugar. So you just see the taste of the amrakhand and decide if you want to add more sugar. You can add powdered sugar. Now add few strands of saffron and serve it in a bowl with the mango pieces and rose petals for garnish. You can serve this with puri or just like that also tastes good. Serve chilled. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching my recipe. If you have liked it, please subscribe, like and share it with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.